Hey bro, what's up? Hey, I wanted to show you the calls that came in for camera plumbers that you guys handled. I'm only gonna give you a sampling because there's a shitload. So I recorded around 24 of these. So 23rd May, this one, there's no answer. But you guys are not, you don't have that many. So as long as we keep, I think that there's only two that were like that. On the 21st. You had a bunch that you guys did answer.
Quality Plumbing, how can I help you?
Hi, I'm here in Camarillo, and I'm wondering if somebody could give me a ballpark estimate.
That's one. Same day.
Quality Plumbing, how can I help you? Oh, hi. My daughter called earlier today to have a toilet unclogged.
Anyway, she wanted to confirm that you guys were going to charge her by the hour.
Quality Plumbing, how can I help you?
Yes, we have a leaky shower line, and I'm curious if you.
Anyway, you get the picture. There's another one.
Quality Plumbing, how can I help you? Hey, I need a plumber for my clogged toilet.
So anyway, you had five. One, two, three, four, five. Let me see. Was this one too? 805.
Quality Plumbing, how can I help you?
Yeah, I wanted to talk to somebody about a gas cooktop I wanted to have installed.
I think you guys weren't able to help that one. And then on the 20th at 827, next page. This is kind of cool because it lets you monitor your people, make sure they're doing the right thing. There was one, I'll say, show it to you. Um, anyway, at 827, this one's yours. It's an active one.
Quality Plumbing, how can I help you?
Yeah, hi. Good morning. My name's Ralph. I have a house in Camarillo, and
Anyway, that's that one. On the 26th, this one was no answer. It went to, that was Frank. People don't leave messages. The 19th at 14:32. This one's what's next right here. 14:45, 14:30. This is your next one. This is the 8th call of the month for you guys.
Quality Plumbing, how can I help you? Oh, hi. Good afternoon. We need plumbing service. Okay, can I get the address, please? 830 Piedra Way.
And then on the 18th at 17:44, this is yours.
Camarillo Plumbers.
Oh, that's
Hi.
me.
I have a clogged drain in my bathroom.
Anyway, I'm gonna send that to you guys. 18th at 11, 18th, 17:44, 17th at 11:25. That one's yours.
Quality Plumbing, how can I help you? Hi, good morning. How are you? I'm doing well. Yourself?
I'm doing okay. We're just trying to reach out to you guys are interested in receiving an email on pricing
Sales
for
call.
plumbing supplies. We reach out.
It's the sales call. Let's see. I want to show you one. There was a leak detection one that I thought you should. I mean, I don't think you should have given it to the pinpoint, because pinpoint, they're gonna, if pinpoint calls goes and then they say, um, who gave you the information, they're gonna say Camera Plumbers. They're not gonna say Quality Plumbing, and pinpoint's not gonna know to give it back to you guys if they find a leak. You know what I mean? So I think when you guys get a call for leak detection, you should call pinpoint and refer them yourself. I think this one happened on the 29th of April. Anyway, there's a bunch. I noted 20, 17, 18, 19, 21, 22, 23. I stopped at 24 calls that you guys got, and that was April 24th. That's when I stopped. Let me see. The one for the leak detection was on the 29th at 14:50. This one. See? Um,
Quality plumbing. How can I help you?
Hi, what do you charge for leak detection?
Unfortunately, we do not do leak detection, but I can refer you to a company that does.
Oh, okay.
so this way, this guy found us on Google, obviously. So if Pinpoint gets the job and they're gonna ask who gave it to you, they're gonna say Camera Plumbing. It's not gonna come back to you guys. So I think you should call the Pinpoint and arrange it with them, at least for these calls. If you already have a relationship as under Quality Plumbing, this way you guys get the job back. I don't know. You may have gotten this job back if there was a slab leak, but I don't know. But anyway, that's just heads up to you. And then there was one that it was the 26th. It was hydrojetting. I think you guys could have gotten that. The price was $600. She gave him, and then he thought it was too much. But anyway, I thought somebody could have closed them on that. I don't know if you told them the price, and I mean, you could be busy and you didn't want to do it, but that was this one here. Let me see at 909. The fuck? 909? Where's 909? This one here.
How can I help you?
Yeah, hi, sorry, where's this?
Quality plumbing.
Okay. And you're in Ventura County or Camarillo?
Correct. We're in Ventura.
Okay, do you do visits in Camarillo?
Yes, we do.
Okay, I was calling because I have in my upstairs bathroom.
Oh shit, this isn't it. Fuck, where is it at? Anyway, I forget which one it is, but you get the picture. So I wanted to kind of give you a heads up. Yeah, the quote was for 625. The guy had like a garden drain, and he said it was too much, and then the girl just hung up and said, "Okay, bye." All right, this is the GMB for Camera Plumbers. The visits, obviously, you're getting the calls, and then yours is this one. The activity is increasing. You got 19 calls. I just monitor, obviously, because of the phone number that I have associated with Camera Plumbers. I just monitor my calls. I don't monitor yours because I don't have that. I pay Google $75 a month for all these calls just to track them and to record them. And so I told you about that. They charge $49.95 plus, depending on the minutes or the seconds right here. you know, they charge you a little bit for that. So it averages out to about $70 or something like that. All right, buddy, I just wanted to give you a heads up. You should probably, I mean, all these calls, like I said, I stopped at 24 that you got that were answered by your staff. Yours is going to be cranking too. There was one of the calls that, you know, you guys couldn't do because you were busy. The people didn't want to schedule for a later date. You're going to have more of that as yours starts to increase and get busy and get, I mean, if you're getting, on the 21st, you got 5 calls from my website alone. I'm going to get your site to crank like that. So just think about how busy you guys are going to be. So just wanted to give you a heads up as these sites continue to rank higher and higher. Okay, buddy. Hope all is well. Al rato.